Hi crafters, it's Hannah here. Welcome to my channel today. This is the colour challenge card that I'm doing for this week's tutorial. So we've kind of got an inverted window view there, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and then something nice on the inside as well. So we will be using the Label Me Pretty stamp set with the coordinating Pretty Label punch, both of which will be linked in the description. So you can create this card along with me, and there is a class for this as well, for this stamp set, which I will link in the description. So let's get started. Okie dokie, so we're going to start by picking our numbers. So this week's numbers have been picked by Prudence, aka Mom. So she has picked 16, 49 and 5. Don't know if you can make that out. So 16 is number 16. Oh, Real Red, 49 Old Olive and 5, oh, Garden Green. Okay, so Real Red, Old Olive and Garden Green. I'll go and grab those colours and then we can get started. Okie dokie, so here are our colours: Real Red, Garden Green and Old Olive. They're all from the Regal's colour collection, so they all go together very nicely. So I've got those, and the stamp set we're going to be using is the Label Me Pretty stamp set. This is what we've been using this week. So I do have a class on this stamp set, which was eventually up on Monday. Oh, I had such a day Monday trying to get that sorted, but it got there in the end. So let me just move these out of the way. And I've got my cardstock here, so I've got a Real Red card base and excuse me, there's not a song in my throat. And then I've got a layer of Garden Green and a layer of Old Olive. So what we're going to do on this is we're actually going to do some die cutting with the layering ovals, but we're going to invert the layers. So the wow, is it still invert? Yeah, so it's going to be kind of like you're looking into something. So the smallest die cut is going to be on the bottom, and then this one's going to have a bigger opening than this one. Hope that makes sense. And then we can stamp something in the very middle. So I want the actually it'd be easiest if I punch out using the label, Pretty Label, just big enough. So I want two ovals that are bigger than this. So I'm going to see if there is one that two that are bigger, but then you're still not too big for the card. So that one is just bigger, and then that one is bigger than that. So just to make sure, then yeah, that'll fit, plenty of room. Okay, so what we're going to do is, the easiest way I can think of to do this is, because you want to make sure that they line up, so we need to do one first and then the other one. So let me think. So this one needs to be, yeah, we'll do this one first. So let me just bring in a big shot. Might as well show you what I'm doing. So we'll do that one first. And I'm actually going to grab the magnetic plate because I think that might make it easier. Oh, there we go. So I've got the magnetic plate on, and I'm going to cut this one first. So this is the smaller layer, but it's got the biggest die. So I'm going to do that about there. Okay, run that through. Move my coffee out the way. Don't want to knock that over. Okay, so that can be kept for another card. And then bring the bigger layer in, lay that on top so we know where we need to place the second one. So I'm trying to get that in the right place. Then I can pop the smaller one in, and that looks straight to me. And then we can die cut that one, and hopefully that will look okay. Let's see. So now, when we put this one on top, there we go, you'll see a small layer of the garden green cardstock in the middle there. Cool, it worked. And I think actually I might use these on the inside. That might look nice. So what I might do then is grab one that's smaller, whoops, and then I can stamp something inside maybe as well. We'll see. I'll come back to that in a little bit. Okay, let's just get the main bit done first. So now you can stick these down, and where is my glue? I'm going to use glue just so I can get that wiggle room. Oops. So sticking the bigger one down first. And then before I stick the second one down, I'm going to tie some ribbon around it. So this is the sheer ribbon in Old Olive. And I'm going to grab a little bit of tape just to secure it on the back. And then I'm going to wrap it around. Oh, what am I doing? That way. So let's take that off. I want it to go around 3 times, I think. So just wrap it around. Yep. And just stick it down into that tape. And you can adjust the positioning before we stick it all down. So you've got that. Then I'm just going to pop a bit more tape over the top, just to be sure it doesn't move anywhere. Then, oh, where's my ribbon scissors? I've left them in the other room. Let me just go and grab them. Okay. Snip that off. And then stick this down. Come on. Whoops. This doesn't want to come out. There we go. Then we can layer this up. Oops, a bit too much glue there. There. So we've got our inverted thingamabob. I don't even know what to call it. Then just press that down. Okay, so next I'm going to do some stamping. We haven't done any yet. So I'm going to grab the label, Label Me Pretty, and I'm going to do the label shape. And I think I will do that in real red. So I'm going to to stamp that. That could be a bit better. I think my real red might need re-inking. There we go, that'll do. Then we'll do the sentiment in garden green. It's a colour I don't use very much, so let's see which way up are we. That way. And see if I can get that lined up right. Hey, that's not too bad. Didn't ink it up great, but I'm not going to try and do it again because the placement is spot on pretty much. So now I can cut that out with the label punch, and we can pop that up on some dimensionals, and that will go in the middle of our thing. So you can still just see all of the layers. I think this is looking a little bit plain around it, so I'm going to grab the old olive and this one, oops, and I'm just going to stamp that a couple of times, just the flower edge. Yeah, that's better. Make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm just covering, and if it goes over the whole, like the 3 layers, that's fine. I actually quite like that. It looks quite good, and I'm getting messy now, so let me just do one more down here. Yeah, I like it. And then for the inside piece, so that I've got these 2 layers that I could use, and I have got that fits. So let's stamp "You're the Best" on there, and we'll do that in the garden green as well. So yay, you're the best. And let's see if I can get this lined up. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, close all these inks. So yeah, like I said, there's a class that will be up, that is up now, and you can, what we're doing, yeah, I'll link it on the card and in the description and all that stuff. So if you haven't seen it yet, and I'm having a giveaway this week, well, I'm having a giveaway month because it's my Stampiversary. So each week I'm going to do a different giveaway. So starting off with this week, just a simple one: be subscribed and comment on the giveaway video, which I will link as well. And this week you can win a mint macaron ink pad. So going to be more different things to do each week, and the prizes are going to be better and better as the weeks go on. So I haven't celebrated my Stampiversary with you guys before, so I figured I need to get on that. And then that's going to go inside like so, which I think looks pretty nice. So there you go. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then click the thumbs up, that would really help me out a lot, and share this video as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.